Welcome to week 3 of FTH 223. It's going to be a fairly quick video, so let's get into it. Okay, we're back. You're going to have to apologize. I'm on handheld right now. So, right here is our first hand-drawn schematic of the ejector. Next to that, we have the guide rod. And finally, the firing pin. I am not the best artist by far, so I apologize for any of that. But I believe I got everything fairly decently. Okay, and we're back. So, as a gunsmith, the importance of understanding schematics, how to read them, how to draw them, and how to replicate them are imperative skills, especially if you're looking at more of the classic firearms, collectors, CNR type firearms. Sometimes you're going to come across problems where you can find the schematics, but you cannot find parts to repair these firearms. So at that point, you will have to go through, if you have the knowledge, and repair by recreating that part. So, as well as that, working for my previous employer, we were constantly improving our systems. So, a rough understanding, at least, of how to read schematics would help you in the fact that when you're testing the firearm, I knew that if one bolt was made at one size and I tried that and it felt tight, okay, I know what our tolerances are. I know how tight or how loose I can go with it. So now I can let my machinist know, hey, we need to take another thou off the end or the circumference, whatever it may be. So with that, for part 3, we will bring back our SAR B6. As we can see, firearm is clear. So for the headspace, we are going to take our school supplied headspace gauges. We have the no-go. So in order to check the headspace, we'll insert that in there. Drop the slide. You notice the slide is not in battery. The guide rod is sticking out and trigger completely disconnected. This no-go, pushing it out of battery like that, means that that's good so far. Now, we're going to switch over to the go. Now with this in, the slide should be able to cycle fully forward and have full use of the hammer. Okay, we're fully seated. Okay, so headspace on this firearm is confirmed to be good. We know it through our gauges. So, for head spacing, the importance of head spacing is you don't want to turn your gun into a bomb. Firearms are dangerous enough as it is. Every time you pull the trigger, you're creating a mini explosion. Headspace issues can lead to things like out-of-battery detonations. They can also lead to other problems where, for example, with center fire rifles, if your head spacing is improper you're supposed to maintain a certain amount of jump between the outer circumference of the bullet and the rifling. If your headspace is improper and your bullet is actually pushing into the rifling, that can cause a pressure spike that can actually blow the barrel up. So headspace is going to be one of our most important measurements for safety, in my personal opinion. And with that, we're going to close up this video. Thank you for joining us for week 3, and we hope to see you again soon.